Food lovers, Thai chicken lettuce wraps, a healthy recipe. Let's go.
Okay, let's get to work. We need some fresh garlic, dice that up, some bell peppers and red onions. Set all those aside and let's get working on our sauce. We've got some brown sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and fresh squeezed lemons. Give that a great stir and set that aside. Let's go ahead and prepare our chicken now. When I'm making lettuce wraps like this, I like to go ahead and make sure that chicken is sliced thinly. I'll season it up tonight with some garlic and onion powder, salt, pepper, and then I'm gonna add in a little bit of sesame oil and give that a good mix. Let's put that in the hot pan. Once those edges turn white towards the center, we'll go ahead and flip everything over. And then we're gonna go ahead and add in our nice sauce. And here comes some fresh ginger and fresh garlic as well. That's looking nice, a really good toss for everything. We'll go ahead and add in our bell peppers and red onions. I also have some carrots in there. And then some chopped cilantro and some bean sprouts. Ah, this looks delicious. I certainly have quite a bit here, so it's good food prep or meal prep. Whatever I'm not going to use, I'll go ahead and set that in the fridge. So I've got some nice, good sized lettuce pieces here, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill those up. Do me a favor as well, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel so you can see more great, easy recipes. All right, those lettuce wraps are all loaded up with our chicken mixture, a nice squeeze of fresh lime juice. I'm adding in some crunch and also some cucumbers. Those look just delicious. I'll finish them off with some sesame seeds.
There you go, everybody. Thai chicken lettuce wraps. Remember, you can use burrito or taco shells if you choose, but if you want to make it a little bit healthier, use some lettuce. You've got a healthy recipe. Lettuce wraps, chicken lettuce wraps, Thai chicken lettuce wraps. Fantastic, easy recipe. I hope you followed along. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Follow. That way you can see so many more great, easy recipes. Cooking should be fun. Cooking should be an experience. You can be your own master chef in your own kitchen. All right, I think it's time to give these a try. Go. I love this. It's like a boat. It's like I've got a boat here. So I'm using some nice lettuce here. I fold it up so you can see. Check this out. I don't want to drip any of our nice Thai sauce, but check that out right there. You see what we got? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I don't cut off the end. That way it's a little bit easier for me to pick up too. And then once you give it a fold, just get right in there. Whoa! Boom! Freaking fantastic.